And now to a food revolution, a call for sustainable food options that are both healthy to the body and to the environment. In Kenya, a university is using insects to create human food and animal feed for a sustainable future.
Professor Monica Yeko has for 18 years championed the use of insects for food and feed and has been working to prove the value of insects as alternative protein options to reduce the existing access limitations created by cost for man and animals.
It was at the time of peak of drought, and there were a lot of children dying of malnutrition, and those early 90s.
With the support of the World Bank, the project hosted at the Jaramogi Oginga Odinga University in Kisumu is proving the viability of insects for food and feed, using the black soldier fly as the ideal protein option for animal feed, while crickets are being reared for financial gain and to create protein variations for man.
The lifespan of this cricket is around 3 to 4 months within which you're able to harvest. So it means if a farmer has to do this, then you're sure of at least harvesting 3 times in a year. So if you look at space, we are using very little space. If you look at time duration to recoup your money, then you can be able to see. Tell me any livestock industry that you're going to rear within 3 months. You already have your returns.
However, one of the main challenges that remain are the social attitudes. But a daring taste of the dried insect proves safe and quite tasty. It's actually nice. However, the project goes beyond blind exploration.
When I was picking up this area, I'll call it entomophagy, I was not looking at it as a project to mitigate climate change. Mine was food for the future.
After getting the dried ones, we put them in the blender.
And there are various ways this naturally unsightly creature can be presented to ensure that public perception is swayed, and the simplest way, as sweet treats.
Insects' amino acid, the protein from the insect is so good that we shall not have the problem of the climate change. We cannot produce maize and beans, or we cannot keep poultry and things like that. You produce one insect and you get almost all the amino proteins you need. You get almost all the minerals you need and all the vitamins you need, and the other physical chemicals of the insects.
With a growing demand for sustainable and nutritional options, science is exploring nature to present nutritive ideal meat alternatives, and in this case, though not appealing to the eye at first, with value addition options adopted, the insect could be on the menu in a few years. Beryl, Ooro, CGTN, Kisumu, Kenya.